Där, varsågod.
Hi, today is a very special day for me for several reasons. First of all, this is my first video in English. I'm usually doing this in Norwegian, so that's quite special, but there's a reason for it. Second of all, I haven't been abroad for at least 2 years, I think, because of the COVID situation. And finally, I'm going abroad, so that's really special as well. And the last reason is that I'm going to Italy today. And tomorrow I'm going to visit the Maserati factory and also test drive the new Maserati MC20. The MC20 is not released in Norway yet. It will be, I think, in a couple of weeks' time, so in October. But I've been invited down to test drive it there, and that's, I mean, really, this is going to be something special. Since I'm going to visit the Maserati factory in Italy, I thought that maybe I should do this in English, because usually, as I told you previously, I normally do this in Norwegian, because I started doing this YouTube thing just for fun, and it's still just for fun, not for me to make any money or anything like that. It's just for fun. But I thought that there are so many YouTubers out there doing car-related stuff. And everybody's doing it in English, so it wasn't any important for me to do it in English. I can do it in Norwegian, because there's not too many Norwegian guys doing that. So that's the reason why I did that. But I think since I'm going to the Maserati factory, I thought that this will be could be more interesting for English-speaking persons as well. So hence the reason why I'm doing this in English. Yeah, I'm really stoked. I'm really looking forward to both going to the Oslo airport again, and also going to Italy, of course, and test drive the Maserati. It's going to be great fun.
Say my name in the dark. Now you're in, haven't you heard? Meet my friends, we're all here. You don't need to feel like dancing. You better keep.
So beautiful morning here in Modena. So today we are going to the Maserati factory. Looking so much forward to it. But first of all, I'm gonna walk around Modena for an hour, take a peek, and I see you at the factory. So hopefully I'm allowed to film in there. I don't know yet, but we will see.
You're running a different kind of game, but the rules are still the same. Still the same.
So here we are inside of the in the showroom. Real cool, nice looking. There are some cars here to view as well, and some old motors behind me here. So it's nice. So this is the only place where we're allowed to film. Just look at the steering wheel. Cool. And the exhaust. Here's a model of the MC20. And also the engine. And here's a real beast from the 1950s. $430 horsepower. It's really cool.
also a model of the MC20. And here are some models with the different colors you can get in the car. All the different seats. Actually, a nice, really nice speaker here as well. Headrests and steering wheels. All the different colors. All the rings. Look at the location of this track, is so beautiful.
too bad?
Was very good. I didn't smoke a lot. We can try. Vieni, vieni, resto a destra anche della S, puoi entrare all'interno. Keep right. Driving so well, you can concentrate more in the rhythm.
Yeah.
I mean that sometimes, you know, for example, especially in the last part,
Yeah.
it's not only important to place the car with the correct trajectory, which you are doing very well, but you must have rhythm on throttle.
Yeah.
For example, here
Yeah.
you have to apply power
Over here.
and
Then go.
until here.
Okay. So.
Not sooner, otherwise
yeah.
you will be too slow.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So.
Same is here. Power from here, but you cannot release it here. You have to
No, you have
release
to-
it there,
yeah.
because you have to throw the car inside this last
yes.
corner.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will miss speed.
Yeah.
You will have to apply power too soon, and you ruin the very last
Yeah,
acceleration. So, with your level, you can trust a little bit more
Yeah.
on throttle.
Yeah.
A little bit about the amount of throttle,
Yes.
and for sure more about the length of the car.
Yeah.
Okay, we can arrive to the
So, finally finished on the track. It was great fun. These cars are amazing. Yeah, if you have the ability to buy one, or if you just have the opportunity to try one, you should, because it's a really fun car.
So in here we have the camera, which is actually the mirror. So that's really cool, because it's impossible to sit inside and see back. So that's why they have a camera there instead.
Done full of regrets.